Hi everybody. So in my last video, I just had to make another video, I'm sorry. My last video was my nail show and tell video, and I happened to get something the same day that I made that video. I couldn't believe it. I said in the video that I didn't get my nail glue and some other items, but right when I stopped recording, the mail came and I got my nail glue. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really tell you who makes it, sadly, but there's 10 in there like I said there would be, and I cannot wait to use them. Yeah, there's no specific name for them, but I finally got my nail glue. That was really something I was waiting for, but really what I need, all I need to start is rubberized glue for the fingers, for the fake fingers. Yeah. But the next tutorial is going to be about how to apply my FICO canes to my tips. And that's a simple application. That's all I'm going to show you. I'm not going to really do too much with the acrylic or whatever, but I'm going to show you how to apply it to the tip. And that'll be my next tutorial for nails, and then hopefully I'll be able after that to show you how I apply my tip to my finger and how I do the acrylic application. And you guys told me how I did. Give me any tips, any pointers that you think would help me, and you can go through my nail journey with me. So don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. This was just a little quick video for nails, and I just was excited that I was waiting for so long for these, and I finally got them. But alright guys, bye. I'll be doing plenty of videos in the future, so don't forget to subscribe. Alright, bye.